Hello, dear students. Today I am going to continue lesson number 6, Sea Fever by John Masefield. If we look at the third stanza of the poem, we can see that the stanza starts with the same phrase, I must go down to the seas again. Now I am reading the poem. I must go down to the seas again, to the vagrant gypsy life, to the girl's way and the whale's way, where the wind's like a whetted knife. So the poet warns the life of a gypsy, a vagabond, who wanders homeless, jobless, from one place to another. The poet wants the life of a sailor who, like a gypsy, wanders from one place to another through the sea. This is the clear image of voyaging, and he wants to go through the same way where the girls go, the whales go. The girls and the whales are all sea creatures, and the poet loves not only nature but also its creatures. The girls and the whales, while they are in the atmosphere of sea, experience cold wind, which is like a whetted knife. Whetted means sharpened. So the wind the girls feel, the whales feel, is very cold. The poet wants to feel the same whetted knife like wind because he wants to go through the girl's way and the whale's way. And all I ask is a merry yearn from a laughing fellow rover. He here asks for a happy tale which can be told by a fellow traveler who is certainly a cheerful person. So the poet uses the word laughing here. Laughing is an adjective here. If the rover is not a cheerful person, he cannot tell a merry yarn. And in the last line, we can see a deep reference of death and quick sleep and a sweet dream when the long trick's over. So all our journeys end. All our long life journeys ends in the deathbed. And then we can sleep a quick sleep. We can dream a sweet dream. There can be another meaning also. When the night comes, all the activities of the ship, like wheels kicking and the strong winds blowing, all comes stand still. The ship is stand still at night, and so the sailors can sleep a quiet sleep and dream a sweet dream. Now, if we look at the rhyme scheme of the poem, we can see that there are 3 quatrains in the poem, and in each quatrain we can find 2 couplets. Here, gypsy life is rhymed with the word knife, and rover is rhymed with the word over. So the rhyme scheme must be A, B, C, D, E, F. So students, today up to this. More when we will meet again. So thank you. Goodbye.